Namaste everyone. Welcome to IKM. In this video, we will see the meaning of Sankshepa Ramayanam from sloka number 21. Yauvarajyena sayyoktum aichat pritya mahipatihi tasyabhisheka sambharan drishtva bharyatha kaikayi. All the preparations are going on by the king Dasharatha, who decided to install Sri Rama as his next prince. Now, all the preparation was seen and noticed by Dasharatha's wife Kaikeyi. पूर्वं दत्तवरा देवी वरमेन मया चत विवासनं च रामस्य भरतस्याभिषेचनम्. Dasharatha's wife Kaikeyi reminded him of two boons he had given her and requested that Rama should be sent to the forest and that Bharata should be crowned. ससत्यवचनाद् राजा धर्मपाशेन संयतः विवासयामास सुतं रामं दशरथः प्रियम्. The king Dasharatha, bound by justice to obey his promise, ordered his son Rama to go and live in the forest. Sajagamavanam viraha प्रतिज्ञामनुपालयन् पितुर्वचननिर्देशात् कैकेय्याः प्रियकारणात्. Because of the order of his father and love towards Kaikeyi, that valorous Rama went to the forest to protect the truth. Tam brajantam priyo bhrata लक्ष्मणोऽनुजगामः स्नेहाद्विनयसम्पन्नः सुमित्रानन्दवर्धनः. It seems that Lakshmana, who is humility personified, who increases the happiness of Sumitra, who is dear brother, who does good to his brother, exhibiting affection towards his brother, accompanied his brother who was going to the forest. Bhrataram dayito bhratuhu saubhratramanudarshayan Ramasya dayita bharya nityam pranasamahita. Sita, who is darling wife of Rama, who is the reflection of his soul, who does only happy deeds to him, also ready to follow Sri Rama. Janakasya kule jata devamāyeva nirvita sarvalakshana sampanna narīnāmuttamaavaduhu. Sita, who was born in the family of Janaka, who is greatest among women, accompanied Rama and she followed the path of Rama. Sītāpyanugata Ramam Sashinam Rohini Yatha Paurairανugate Duram Pitra Dasharathena Cha. The soul of Dharma was accompanied by all the citizens and his father Dasharatha for a long distance. This companion is like Rohini accompanies the moon god. Like that, Sita follows Rama. Shringivera Sutam Ganga Kule Vyasarjayat Guhamasadya Dharmatma Nishadadhipatim Priyam. They reached the place of Guha, the chief of hunter and a very dear friend, and sent back the chariot driver at a place called Shringiverapura in the bank of river Ganga. गुहेन सहितो रामो लक्ष्मणेन च सीतया ते वनेन वनं गत्वा नदीस्तीर्त्वा बहूदकाः. Rama, along with Sita and Lakshmana and Guha, stayed here and there. They are traveling from one place to another place and one forest to another forest. While they are while their journey, they are crossed so much river and also the flowing water also they crossed. It is a very tough journey for them.